Guys, today I'm trading a model for bird's nest. Hello. Here's the thing, can I trade something for bird's nest? Trade for bird's nest? Oh, you're Mr. Lou, right? Yes, my surname is Lou. Oh, did you bring the item? Oh. No, I haven't made it yet. It might take 1 to 2 weeks. Yes. Mom. That's fine. You might need to come back then. Sure. I'll definitely come back. No problem. Okay. Here's your item. It's all ready for you. Oh, that's all? Yes, that's it. Are you the store manager? Oh, I am the manager. Just talk to me. Oh, alright. Thank you so much. Okay. So it's all done then. That's all set. Good. Don't worry, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee specifically told me, this bird's nest is better value than the last one. Wait a minute. No. I don't know any Mr. Lee. I've never contacted him. Aren't you Mr. Lou from Green Tower? Oh, no, you must have the wrong person. Here, take this back. I'm sorry, you go ahead. I think I made a mistake. Okay, you go first then. Okay. Miss. Here's the thing. Can I trade something for bird's nest? Trade for bird's nest? Yes. Mom, I've never dealt with this before. I can't make that decision, but the boss is here. I can ask the boss for you. Great. Thank you. You should hurry up and commit a crime next month. First, we have a customer. He wants to trade something for bird's nest. Congratulations. Hello. Here's the thing. I want to make a model of your store, because your store is so beautiful. And trade it for bird's nest. Is that okay? What kind of model is it? I'll recreate your store at a 1:1 scale, then 3D print a miniature model for you. About this big. Is it like those small vases in the short videos? Sort of, but it's a bit different. Mine is a custom, one-of-a-kind piece. So you're a 3D modeler. Yes, I know a bit about modeling. That's quite interesting. Mom, yes. I want to trade for a bird's nest. Mom. Yeah, sure, that's fine. Really? Oh, is it really okay? Yes, it is. It's fine. Oh, okay. Great, here's an idea. We have afternoon tea right now. The very beautiful one. Since I'm trading, I'll take that one. Should I get ready then? Did you build this museum yourself? Or is this Bird's Nest Cultural Center a personal project? This museum is free and open to everyone. If you're interested, I can show you around. Sure. Our collection here attracts many visitors each year. No one has seen how birds' nests are actually formed. Only swiftlet saliva can create this mist-like nest. So it's pure saliva, right? Human saliva also has anti-inflammatory properties, right? But swiftlet saliva has even stronger bioactive properties. The bird's nest industry is quite unique. It involves trade between Indonesia, Malaysia, and China. Naturally, we hope our country's economy keeps growing. The relationships between these countries are why we built this. Quite impressive. Your bird's nest soup is ready. Okay. Here. Alright. Thank you. Having your bird's nest afternoon tea. I won't stand on ceremony then. Good. Thanks. Let me receive this first. Wow, so much. This is fresh milk prepared for you. Here's our bird's nest. Mix the bird's nest into the fresh milk. This is rose and peach gum drink. This is our handmade bird's nest and donkey hide gelatin cake. This is our osmanta sauce. You can pour it in here. If you prefer it sweeter, add some here and try. And this is just the decoration. Okay. Hey guys, we're having a luxurious treat today. Jealous. Can't waste it. Must not waste. How's the sweetness? The texture is actually very similar to glass noodles. Good. But the flavor is excellent. It's not greasy. It's sweet, but not cloying. Let me try this donkey hide gelatin. It's a bit like fried rice candy. I haven't tried peach gum drink before. It has a rose flavor, and it's quite fragrant. Have some more of this aged tangerine peel tea. Guys, top notch, brothers. Yes. Today's setup in Chongqing is the PRS. I've been using this PRS lately, guys. Overall, it's been quite stable. Haven't encountered any issues. And in terms of the main unit, it seems optimized. It's noticeably smaller than my X14. So for beginners, I still recommend this one first. Hit before we kick. Gotta get off and so we can kick. Are ready for. Are you ready for? Ah. Yes. Ah. Ah. Yes. Ah. Ah. Yes. Sis. What? Hello, hi, miss, it's you. Yes, I brought the model over. I finished it. Would you like to take a look? Sure. It seems. Did you make this? Yes, exactly. Look, this is from the shop. Yes, it's like ours. See that mat? And the scale area is included too. How did he know to make this car? It's printed. What do you think? Hello. I brought it over. Wow, so beautiful. Very pretty. Not bad. Hey, so your makeup looks great. Is this the cultural edition? This is the most common place for it, right? Yes. Okay. It's more exquisite than I imagined. Thank you. No problem. I appreciate the trend of afternoon tea. Right? Very nice. Let me find a place to change. Thank you. No problem. I'll drink it. Okay, I think this afternoon tea changes a bit. I should give you an afternoon gift. Really? Actually, I feel it's not necessary. Last time at afternoon tea, there was a misunderstanding. That bird's nest soup. Just arrange a set. Okay, so a set for every meal, right? Yes, for you. Really? Yes. Okay, good. Really? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to you. This is made so beautifully. No, not bad. I came to give it to you. Thank you. You're welcome. Really appreciate it. And take good care of us. Thanks. Okay, then I'll go. I'll walk you out. Next time, bring your wife to visit. Okay, come for afternoon tea. Okay. No. I'll give you something. What's this? Open it and see. Isn't it your mom's birthday? Oh. Eat bird's nest. Bird's nest, yes. This is 3D printed, right? Ah, get out. Wait a second. Grandpa is calling me. Dobo, glad you're here with me. Dobo, come back. Ah, Mom. Get in here. I'll also upload this model to Tutu's Mac World community. Anyone interested can download and try printing it.